back to another thrilling episode of Lumberjack Barbecue. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to pack up and go to the in-laws place and cook up some barbecue chicken nuggets. My wife recently made a recipe making her own out of bone skinless chicken thighs, and they were dynamite. Absolutely way better than McDonald's. And so I thought, well, can we do it on the barbecue grill? I think we can. So we're going to try it. It's very simple, very basic, very easy. We're going to take these boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut them up in nugget-sized shapes. We're going to take some rub, and we're going to put it in this tortilla bag, or this wrap bag, which we've saved. And we're going to put the chicken and the rub in there, shake it all up, and that ought to be good. You don't see here is, what you don't see is barbecue sauce. I don't have enough stuff to make my own, so I'm going to actually stop at the store for once and get some on the way over there. And so the next time you see us, we will be over there tending to the grill and having some fun, enjoying some beverages, socially distanced, and it ought to be a great time. So we'll see you then. Alright, so we thought before we get over to the in-laws, maybe we should show you what we're doing here. And it's not really that difficult, but okay, maybe somebody wants to see it, I don't know. Certain pieces I cut certain ways and this and that. I do like to cut a little bit of the fat off, not a ton, because fat is flavor. And it also adds to the flare up, which is nice. So that piece right there might make 2 nuggets as far as I'm concerned. There they are. This one I'm kind of thinking maybe I should cut this in half. And maybe we'll leave that one a little extra big, and this one, we'll cut that one in half. And that's how we're going. See, a lot of fat right there. Skin, whatever you want to call it. And I'm thinking if I can just cut that off, and very minimal amount of chicken comes off of there. And some of this stuff here too. You gotta be careful, watch your fingers. Actually, I might turn it that way. Make it a little more betterist. So I'm not cutting myself. And that's kind of what we do. It's you don't want a big chunk of skin hanging off at you. And then after that, I might look at this and go, okay, where am I going with this? Sometimes I get a hanger, like this one was hanging off, so I left that as its own. And this one's a little less uniform than most. I'll cut it there, maybe cut it right in the center there. And then this one, I'm thinking maybe I'll go that way for some nice plump nuggets there. And the same with that one. Some are bigger, some are smaller, but none are exactly the same shape. So that's what you got to do. And then we'll shake them up in the bag and put them in the fridge, and we'll be going over shortly. All right, here we are. Got my own little nook right here next to the woods. Big wood pile the kids built up. It's a nice time out here. I got my family here. It's going to be a good night. So for those of you that don't normally grill, maybe you're new to the channel, let's show you what goes on here. We're going to take our scraper and we're going to scrape off the grill grates. Now with the intense heat, it looks pretty good, like it's already been taken care of, to be quite honest with you. And this is a campfire ring right here I'm using. We're going to spin this around over here like a so. And it just barely fits in nice. Then we're going to take some oil. And we're going to grease the grates. And we'll use this tong right here. I got one for the chicken when it's raw and one for when it's not. I'm going to put a little grease on there. That way your chicken doesn't stick to the grill grates. And here we go. You remember the bag that we had? Let me take this glove off at least. There it is. All seasoned up. That's just a barbecue rub that I make. It's a tablespoon of everything you like. Cumin, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, all different kinds of stuff. You can look it up online. You'll figure it out. Maybe I ought to just dump this in. What do you think? I think so. There. It's only plastic. And there we are. We'll arrange them around. Barbecue chicken nuggets is what we're calling them. We got some barbecue sauce. That would be a Hawaiian barbecue sauce, or like Hawaiian. So we're gonna try that out. But Not until we get to about 150, 155, something like that. And you know how that goes. I don't always get it right at the temperature, but we'll get it close enough. It's chicken thighs, so you can let them go for a little while longer. They could even go up to 175 and still be juicy and tender. So that's what we're doing. And we'll try to keep an eye on the time for you. Oh, I didn't cut that one so well unless they're stuck. Oh, there we go. Try to keep an eye on the time so we can let you know how long it really actually took us to do this. But it should be pretty quick, and we'll be eating dinner soon. My mother-in-law has got meatballs, and the girls, my nieces, are over here drinking some lemonade and iced tea or whatever the heck else. We're just chilling out, socially distanced, and enjoying a nice cookout. So we'll bring you back shortly. Just like that, I don't know, 15 minutes later, they're close to temp. So let's flip them over, take a look. And again, we can go up to 175 on these and have no problem. Wish I had that spatula right now. That would flip these babies over like you wouldn't believe. Now some of the outliers here towards the closer to you are probably going to be a little less temp. But all the way around, it's looking pretty good, to be honest with you. Time to do a little saucing now. So we're going to be pretty liberal here. And just get it all over all that. I don't care if a little bit drips down the fire. That's helpful. That'll spit right back up. Give that deliciousness. I did, off camera, forgot to show you, put some hickory chips down in there to give it a little smoky flavor from that hickory. That ought to make this really good. All right. And then we'll just move that all around. Get that all coated up. And we'll probably come back in about 5 or 10 minutes. Flip them all back over. And throw some more barbecue sauce on the other side. And it should be dinner time by then. And these are going to be good. Very, very delicious. Just something simple and easy. A couple ingredients. And hopefully a crowd pleaser. Nobody's going to go home hungry. Blah, blah, blah. Keep on going on, Lumberjack. There we go. So we'll bring it back shortly. All right, we're looking pretty good. Most of them are up to temp. We're going to do a little flipping. And then do some more saucing. And then we should be ready to eat. Gosh, I wish I had my big griddle spatulas. This would be a lot easier. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is take some of these that are towards you and put them in the back here. Some of these are out here, right there. Try to get them a little more even temp. It's going to be a pain in the butt, but it's going to be delicious when we're done. Awesome. Flip them over. Get that barbecue sauce down in that flame. That'll spit right back up at it. Give it a nice flavor. Kind of keep them humidified. Nice and juicy. That's what we're doing here. We'll get these all flipped over. We're going to throw some more barbecue sauce on them, and we should be done. Oh, we had a soldier that went down in the flames. Oh no, the humanity. Looking good though, looking really good. Little into the fire. What the heck? And this is that Hawaiian barbecue sauce. What does it say on it? Hawaiian style barbecue sauce. Not sure what it has in it, but we'll check it out here shortly.
Oh, that sounds good.
Oh yeah, it does. And it ought to be yummy. Just mix that all around on them. It won't be long till we're eating good in this neighborhood. Not very hard to do. This is for anybody. I mean, this is simple, easy stuff. It doesn't take talent. Obviously, because I'm doing it. There you go. A couple more minutes, we should be able to eat. We're huddled around, ready to eat. I feel like my life is threatened. I better get this off the grill. There they are. Looking as good as they could. So we're going to load them up on a plate. Hopefully they don't lose any through the grate. That'll be great. I'm liking how they're looking. I'm liking the char marks on them. I took the liberty of, while I went away, to kind of pile them up all over the heat. Get some nice looking char on these chicken nuggets. Barbecue chicken nuggets. Alright, there's one plate. Let's go in for some more. My mother-in-law has some baked beans going.
Zoom in on that plate.
Ought to be delicious.
It will be delicious.
That's right. And we sacrificed a nugget to the fire. It's down in there.
Oh,
there it is. Poor nugget.
I will zoom in on him.
Yes, we sacrificed him.
Boy.
Or her. Oh, that's right. You have to sacrifice a virgin. It's a virgin male or female. We do not discriminate. And I will have the obligatory taste test. Probably gonna be really hot. I'm gonna pick this crunchy one right here. I like it. I like it a lot. So if you're looking for something easy to cook, check back at Lumberjack Barbecue here on YouTube at LumberjackPA. And we'll see you next time. As my kid would say, peace.